question 8 in assignment in the assignment you shared us, we did something with strings, but I don't know if it's the right answer or not.
The answer is right, but I don't know if it's the proper method.
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to share the screen and you want to explain?
Yes, sir. I can share my
Oh
screen.
yeah.
You want me to share, or you want to share from me?
I mean, you can go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, I'll share. Okay, 1 second, sir.
But Chania dropped. I don't know what happened to her. Yeah, now she's
Okay,
back.
she's back.
Yeah, she can. I don't know what is the issue with VNet. I don't see everyone's video.
We
Okay,
all turned on our videos actually.
my microphone.
Use some
Check in the settings.
check some earphone. Use some earphone maybe.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, please go ahead. Okay, I'll
Okay.
wait for her to join.
She can see the screen. I mean, we can wait if you want. Or
Can you zoom a bit? Too small for me. She's telling okay, you can start. Okay, Ranjit, you can start. She can hear.
no, this is too much. This is good. Good, sir.
Yeah, okay, manageable. Yeah, go ahead.
So basically, what we did what we did, sir, we whenever the number is 9,
Mm-hmm.
when we are adding 1 to it, we made sure that it's like not 10, it's like 0. The number is like
No,
not.
before you
Hmm?
explain your solution, tell me what is the question. I don't know question. Then how can I
Yes,
understand?
yes, sir. I'll put the question right here. I'll put it
Yeah,
in here, right? I'll put it in comments.
yes. If you can remember, you can tell me what is the question. So
No, I
answer.
think it's better.
Basically,
It's
the
easier
question
if you
asked
read.
us
Yeah.
it asked us to like add one digit to each digit
Oh, okay,
and like
okay.
print
Then
that
I
number.
can read in the same in the file name. That's why I was thinking. One added to all the number in the five-digit number. So all the digits of the five-digit number, like that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then should have been okay. So you have taken input five-digit number. Great. Right. See, I am recording here, but for Pranay, can you also record from your end so that we'll have
Sure,
better
sir.
quality? Because until I get my mic, my
I don't know if it's gonna be the same quality, sir, because I'm using another laptop, but I'll like try to record.
okay,
Sir, I can record too. Today I figured it out.
okay, you can then let Ranjit do this Pranay. Let
Oh,
him
okay, sir.
let him try today. He should also get a chance, right? He should not feel there is no second chance.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You guys are not on video. I feel like also go on audio. Like it doesn't feel like practice, I don't know why.
Okay.
I never done like this.
So I turned on my recording. Hopefully it works today.
Okay. Anyway, I have for backup my recording is
Okay.
on. Okay. So, okay, mod 10. This is the last digit of the number. So here I don't understand the six line number six. Why another mod 10 is done? So see last mod 10 is not going to make any effect. So that is redundant.
This one.
The line number six. Yeah, mod 10. Yeah, last one.
Okay.
Yeah, that is not required. To run this code without that also it should be fine. Okay, next
Okay.
what you have done, you have divided by 40 consecutive, divided by 10, and then mod.
This is the problem, sir.
Can we like do with string by converting it as a string?
Uh, okay. No, like that's not. You should have number. Like
Okay.
okay, for Python it's okay. Like whatever method you are following, that's good. If you are getting a string, just you need to convert once again as you are doing at the line number 2, and that will also work. That's fine.
Okay. So this method is good.
Yeah, there is nothing wrong in that. I can see, but I can see number plus 1 and works with 9.
Yeah, yeah. This is redundant code. I just let it there because I was trying this way, but it's not going to
No, that's
work.
also correct. That's also correct, right? Number plus 1 is also correct. Both are correct. If you are getting
Number
5,
plus one is not working.
it should work. 5 into plus 2 into 2 plus 5. If it is not working,
I mean, it is working, sir, but it's getting carry forward.
both are
Yeah.
working.
Yeah, one
So
of the
sir,
number is getting carry
So
forward.
that's
So it,
actually I wanted you to have Jupyter notebook so that we can check and debug each and everything. Do one thing, copy paste this code here, and I will
no,
explain
no,
you.
no. Jupyter Notebook is working for me too. I can do it in Jupyter also.
Okay, you want to do that? Pranavi, have you done on Jupyter notebook or VS Code?
Notebook, sir. But the thing is, my code is like not as clean as his. Is that fine, sir?
Okay. I also check yours, but okay. Uh,
Yeah.
hmm, it's okay.
Okay, I can stop. I can stop presenting and put it in Jupyter, sir.
Okay, Pranavi. Meanwhile, you can share and we can check.
Wait. Oh, sir. 1 second, sir. Something happened. Ah.
Jamia is not able to speak. Then what should I do for her today?
School Anaconda now. Anaconda Navigator.
999. Hmm. Wait.
Me and Pranavi tried, and yesterday Pranavi helped me. I got Jupyter to work.
You can use Google Colab also. Jamia, are you able to do any assignment today? You can reply her in the message meanwhile.
Deploy.
So something happened to my code, sir. 1 second. I changed it and I'm getting an error now. This one divided by two.
So neither of you are able to share as of now. Then paste the code here and I'll explain for everyone.
Okay, sir, we can do that.
Yeah. Any other
Yeah, yes
question?
sir, yes sir. I got it now. I got it now. I can share it now.
Okay, go ahead.
So please don't mind this part. This is the one we are trying to do.
Zoom a bit. Press Control plus so that it will be zoom.
So is this fine?
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
no, too
Chapter
much.
number. Okay, okay. Hold. So this is the which I have given. Okay, same. Okay, this is the that approach you have followed. You have gotten first digit, second digit, third, fourth, fifth, and then you didn't add anything there. Line number. Okay, total. Okay, this one you have.
So here I did the part Randeep did.
Okay. So you have done. No, more 10 is not required. This is unnecessarily. Throughout this more 10 is not required.
Yes sir, but we included mod 10 for this. Let me show you. If we get like 99999, like 5 nines,
Mm-hmm.
then we were like expecting answer 0000, like 5 zeros For that, I
Okay.
did this one, but I'm not able to get that output now.
Okay. I got you.
When I'm like not including int, I'm getting that output. Let me show you.
Understood. Understood. Okay. This is a special case.
Look, I'm getting an output then. If it's like converting into int, I'm not getting that output.
Okay. For that scenario, we need to think. Suppose that we are having 999 and we want to add that, so that should be carry forwarded, and that will become 0 1. So I guess there is nothing wrong, like we have to carry forward anyway. That would be the ideal thing. Suppose that I have to 1 at each place value, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
my final result will be more than 5 digits. That's totally fine.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Then let me show you that one.
So it means now you are able to do this assignment. I can see, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, January just is 6 trying to find that.
Oh, I have to change everything. 1 second, sir.
Any other assignment you want to discuss? Let us take
No,
some time.
no, sir.
I got
Only
no
this
idea
one.
you are able. Okay. But I could see Ranjit was showing something additional there. He was writing some swapping the code.
Swapping. Oh, that one is we swapped like 2 digits of two 4 digit number.
Yeah. No, just Ranjit, you want to share the screen?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm sharing the Jupyter link in the chat if that's okay.
Just share your screen if that's possible.
Or shall I start to submit?
No, no, I can share my screen, sir. No problem. I'll share.
Just I'll quickly see your output, and then
Okay.
when you are doing two of you are doing assignments, you could have asked Janya also. Should have been joining, right?
Jenya went to Costco, sir. I later figured out she went to Costco.
Okay. Can you? So you want to show me the this swap first two and last digit? That's another question.
Yeah, this is the other question. And Jenya and friend we discussed, I think, yesterday after, so no problem, I think.
Yes, sir. We were like discussing a problem to do with reverse.
Oh, so Janya, you can send me photo of your code on my WhatsApp. I can check on that.
Sir, can I execute this?
How do you want to execute? Okay.
Yeah.
The first two and last two digits.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Now just put that into your logic. Digit 1 divided by digit 2 divided by 10. Now suppose I have 150 divided by 10, 12. I'll get 12. Okay. You get the question? Then I like this is a new idea. Good. Suppose
Okay.
we can think of something more. Okay. Now we are coming to the swapping. So we are doing 1000 place value need to be same.
No, I think this is the reverse logic that I did yesterday night.
Okay. Okay. So Janya will send me. I'll sync up with Sanya separately. Janya to the her
Can I
phone.
stop presenting, sir?
Yes, you can stop presenting. I will start new topic today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, we'll start something new because we are doing one thing for couple of days.
Yes, sir.
Let's start something new. And whatever we have learned, Janya, now I can see you. Can you hear me? You speak. You can speak now. No. Okay. No issues. We'll start some new topic and whatever we have covered earlier, we will have one separate session for you too. Or maybe if somebody can help, then fine, otherwise. So today we'll learn conditional statement. Okay. The
Yes, sir.
before we move to the conditional statement, I want to tell you something called flow control. What is flow control? Like Python flow control, like any language will have some flow control statement, and that is also known as decision making statement. What is flow control? Means suppose that I take some code. Okay, let me take some code. Just a minute. Like we have we have written one code yesterday, right? This is a code. This is the whole code, right? So see, we can when we run this shell, like in this whole code, what happens? Our Python, our Python interpreter, it will convert each of the line, okay, into some you can say machine readable format. Okay, each of the line. So it will read this one it will read this one. So this is you can say the how interpreter is going to process each of the line. First this one, then this one, then this one, then this one. So this sequential is called sequential flow. One after another, all the lines will be executed up to this, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
called sequential flow of execution. This is called sequential flow of execution. Okay, because all the lines will execute one after another. You want to write this formula right now? You are making a note.
Yes, sir. If I don't make a note, I cannot like refer it back, sir.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yes,
So
sir.
you
I'll
got
not
the
take too much time.
you got the sequential flow means nothing but running all the statements one after another. Okay, that is sequential flow.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So likewise, we have flow control means in which order we want to run my code. So in flow control, I want to what sequential flow is there that I want to control. I don't want to be sequential. Sometimes I want zigzag, sometimes I want loop, or sometimes I want to jump from one place to another place. So that the way my Python compiler or interpreter will run the code that I want to control with the help of some Python rules. I can hear my voice a bit like somebody is using a speaker, so I'm getting some
Echo.
echo, yeah. But anyway, fine. So if you look at the kind of flow controller statement, we have mainly three kind of flow controller statement. Okay, the first one is the conditional statement, second one is the iterative statement, that is also known as loop, and third one is the transfer statement, where your control will jump from one place to another place based on the some specific you can say a statement or some kind of, you can say, the instruction. So in conditional statement we have like something called if condition, then if else condition, then we have if and else condition, then we have nested if else condition. So these are the different format we have, and we will see each of these format one after another. So what is if a statement? We'll come to see, like, there will be some condition. If that condition is true, then some part of code will run, otherwise it will not be executed by our Python interpreter. So that is if condition, like we are putting some if, right? If condition. Likewise in if else, we'll see if something is true, then something will happen. If something is false, then else part will be executed. So it is kind of flip flop, either one or first one or other one. Janya is,
Yes, sir.
yeah, struggling. So if and else. Likewise, when you combine this if else multiple time, then that is known as if if. Means if is nothing but the else if together we write, then that becomes if. Okay. And similarly, without else if also we can write nested if else. So these are the two different format of the multiple if else. We'll see very basic thing today, if and if else. So these are called conditional statement. It means if condition is true, something will run. If condition is false, it will not run. Some statement will not run. In iterative statement, what will happen? This is known as looping thing. Looping thing means it will repeat something. Iterate something means, iterate means it will go through something again, it will iterate, reiterate. Circular fashion, it will keep on going until unless some condition is not met. Okay. So this is also driven by some condition. This is also driven by some condition. This is also driven by some condition. Okay. It means some condition is true, then it keeps on running, keeps on running, keeps on running. In this, if condition is true, only one time it will run. That's all. But in this, if condition is true, it keeps on running. Okay, until that condition is not false. So you can say one if, but here you have repeated multiple if automatically. So in this iterative, we can say we have for and while, these two things we will learn. Then we'll move to the transfer statement. So suppose that you are running some iterative statement, means loop thing you are running, and you want to break something based on the some condition. Okay, like suppose that you are driving your car on 40 kilometer per hour on highway, and suddenly you see something, you have to need to take break, right? Something like that. So your loop is keep on going, keep on going, but you see something on the way, you want to check something, you want to stop, then we will break. Likewise, we have something called continue and pass, we'll come to know. Okay, so this we covered, this page we covered already. Now let us move to the some.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Nice to hear you. Okay, you can got this. Jania, did you understand what I explained till now?
I was out. I was trying to fix the microphone.
Oh, you could not hear, so let me quickly cover for you once again. So I was telling that you have we have something called flow control statement, flow control statements, which are also known as decision making statement. Okay,
Yes, sir.
when we run some code, generally when we have seen this code, okay, yesterday, so this code will run sequentially one after another. What is sequentially one after another statement? Means this will run this
One by
line,
one.
then another line, then next this line, then this line, keep on, all lines will run. So by default, when you run any code in the any programming, actually that runs sequentially, means one after another, one after another, it will keep on running until unless you break its flow.
Oh,
So for means you can control the flow. I don't like, whenever it is not following sequential, means we are controlling its flow. So sequential flow we will control using three methods, and those are called flow control statement. Okay, flow control or
Mhm.
control flow statement. So first one is conditional statement. Here we have like if condition, then if else. Likewise, when you combine if else multiple time, then it becomes if, if and else, that we will see in detail. And this is another way of combining if else multiple time. So we'll
Mm.
see again. We'll repeat this very soon here.
Okay.
Iterative statement, a statement means something you want to repeat so many times, as many number times you want, like 100 times, 1,000 times, million times. If you want to keep on repeating based on some condition. Here you have to check one condition, it will run only once, but here it will keep every time it will check condition, it will run again. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So they call iterative and or looping a statement. Then third one is called transfer statement. In this we have like break and continue. So here I was giving example. Suppose that you are driving a car on a highway or of the speed of 40 kilometer per hour, and suddenly somebody came, or suppose that cow or some animal came on the road. What you will do? Take the brake, right? Suddenly you will take the brake. It
Yes.
is something like that. Similar thing here. It is a brake. Means your loop is keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, but suddenly something come up, you have to take a break, and once
Take.
you take the break means it will stop running from there. Okay.
Okay.
So break is fine. Continue will learn. Continue is bit difficult. Like as of now, I don't want to confuse you. So just remember transfer statement, iterative statement, conditional statement, and transfer statement we have break. And what break? The break you use in the car. Similar kind of thing will do this here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. So now we come to here. So in we'll learn here Python if statement. So in Python if statement, what happens? This is the syntax, normal way of writing if condition. Okay, that we need to learn. If some condition is, we write some condition, and in order to write some condition, we need to know a bit of logical operator, and that we'll learn today. Okay, so let me put a cell here. Maybe we can take from here. Okay, I don't want to take everything. Just will take logical operator out of it. Okay, we'll come to this. So what happens, like in if else, we check some condition with of some logical operator, and that's nothing but uh, logical and relational operator will take. Relational operator means less than, something is less than, something is equal to, like that will take. Okay. So if some condition is there, it will check. If it is true, then body of if will be executed. If condition is false, body of if will not be executed. This is the flow chart of the if condition or if a statement will work. Okay. Then let us take
Yes.
some example. Suppose that I am taking one variable called grade equal to 70. Okay. And I am assigning some value to grade is 70. And now we will check the condition. If grade is more than 65, then you are having passing grade. If it is, so this is checking a condition. If grade is greater than or equal to, this is called, listen carefully, greater than or equal to means either greater or equal is also fine. Okay. So if this is a condition. So this, if this condition is true, then this line will run. Otherwise, this statement will not run. So let us see here. If I'll run this one here. So what is happening here? Because the grade value is 70, and this 70 will be kept here internally in some memory, and that 70 will be compared with the 65. Okay, that is called and this is called relational operator. Greater than equal to is, yeah, yeah, you raised this question. Please
Sir,
go ahead.
I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
Is 65 stored in is 65 gonna get stored in any RAM?
Yeah, internally it does that. Yes.
Okay.
Whatever you write in the code, that will be stored somewhere in the your RAM.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you have another question for Anavi? No. Randeep, you have any doubt? I don't hear anything from you today.
Sir, no, sir. I'm calm. I'm just listening. No, no doubts for now.
Okay.
So we're just doing greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and equal to is comparison, right?
Right.
Okay.
So these are the relational operator. Means it will check the relation between two values, variable, or something similar. Okay. So it will check whether two values are, first value is less than or equal, less than another value. This one will check greater than another value. This one will check less than or equal to. Likewise, it will take check greater than or equal to. Either one is correct, then it's correct. It will check equal, whether both are same or not. And this one is not equal to. So now you can see here, suppose that I want to make some changes here. Okay, I'll make it 65. Janya, you need to tell me, if I run this code, what output I am going to get.
Uh, you'll get passing grade, right?
Right. Why?
Because it's greater, less than, no, greater than or equal to 65. And 65 is equal to 65.
See, here we have two part, greater than or equal to, right? So greater than is not correct, but equal to is correct. Okay, so like this you have to understand. Means we have two things, either greater or equal. So you can say 65 is not greater, but at least it is equal, right? So that's why it is correct. So these are possibilities too. So like that, suppose that you want to check here whether both are equal or not. Here I want to check if grade is equal to 65, then it should print the passing grade, right? So this will
Yes.
also give the passing grade. This will also give the passing grade. But suppose that I'll give here minus 65. What will happen?
It will not give the passing grade.
Yeah, it will not print anything. Yeah, Randeep, go ahead.
Sir, it may not be completely related to this, but I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So the other day I was trying if else conditions and I have trouble with the spaces and tabbing.
Yeah, okay. That's a great question. Okay. Yeah.
Can
Actually,
can we discuss
yeah,
it?
when I was explaining here, actually I put two here. So you can see that if you learn some other language, something called body body parts of the if condition, or any control flow statement will have body parts. Okay, so you got, or mainly you can say we have like if else, if all these and this will have some body. What is body part? Means we are writing here if, we will write some condition here, and then we'll give a colon here. So this is the part of syntax, and we have to give one tab here, and we have to be very consistent with the tab. Like if I'm giving for a space, everywhere we have to give for a space, for a space, for a space. Okay, so this is called indentation. What is this called? Indentation. Python follows a strict indentation. Why? It has its own syntax. So if you don't, if I know, if I want, based on this condition, all these statements should be executed, then we'll give equal space here, we'll give equal space here, and equal space here. Okay, so like let us see this. Let us see with example.
So I have a small doubt.
Yeah.
For not equal to, is it like greater than and less than both combined, or is it exclamatory mark and equals to? Because I
Both,
tried this one and it did
both.
not work.
No, it both will work.
Oh,
Both
okay,
will work.
okay,
This both will work.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So here, let us see some more example. Here I give something like this: passing grade, congratulations. Okay. So what does it mean? Print. I'll put one more line here. You are inside a body of if a statement. Okay. This is the last statement of the body of if statement. So you can say, when I typed here condition if, okay, I can give bracket, this optional here. Okay, as of now we can give bracket, or without bracket also it will work in Python 2, Python 3 both. Okay, that's optional, you can put, but it's better to have practice to put the bracket here. Okay, because if you want to have multiple conditions throughout, then it's better to put all of them in the bracket. So here you can see, if, yeah, I can see thumbs ups only I can get from Pranavi. I don't get thumbs up from others. Keep on giving thumbs up, you are getting. Okay, if you don't get, then you can give this one also. Yeah.
So you were talking about indentation, right, sir? And then you're also mentioning we need consistent indentation. Is that it?
Yeah, we are talking about indentation, and this should be consistent only.
Okay, yeah.
So what I'm telling here, this is the one statement it will run, and then it will check this condition. Okay, if this condition is true, all this will be executed. Why this will be executed? Because Python is driven by indentation. You can see this space from here to here will be here to here. This space are having equal distance from the this. If the starting line of a starting column of if from here we have equal distance from this, it means you can say all these are the body part of this. Means if this condition is true, all this will run. If this is false, none of them will run. Okay, so let us run this. See, because this condition is true, we can see all this has executed, and here you can say I'm not body part of if. Means because this guy and this guy are at the same line, same column, you can say. See, both are same indentation, so you can say this is not part of that. Whether these will execute or not, this is independent of this, because this is not the part of this. Okay, but these all are dependent on this. Suppose that I'll make it false, something like this. I change this one. I have grade 70, and now I want to check whether 70 is less than equal to 65. Then Janya, you need to tell me what output I am going to get now.
You will get I am not body part of
Yeah, you are
if.
not. I know that. Everybody knows that. Don't take the joke. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, now this time Randeep has gone off. Yeah. So you got this. So if condition is true, all this will run. If condition is not true, nothing out of this body part will run. It is very simple, right? Okay. Now let us check some more simple example. Here I want to check one simple code. If number is positive, I want to print some appropriate message. Then how we can do this? Here we are assigning some some value to variable like number. Okay, num first is abbreviation for num first. Num equal to 3, and we are putting condition num is greater than 0. It means this condition is true.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
sir. I accidentally clicked something and I left.
No issues. So
Okay.
yeah. So this part you understood, right, Randeep? So if this condition is
So,
false, all this is not all these statements are not executed. Just it is executing beyond the data.
but in this case,
Mhm. Generally,
yeah, I
what you
understand.
type
Yeah.
means you type tab here. You see, I'm just pressing a tab. This is just
Okay.
for practice, okay? If I make
Okay,
it
sir.
manually,
But
that will also work, but don't do this. Yeah, tell me. Go ahead.
so you put grade is 70, right? You put grade is 70, which is greater than 65.
Yeah,
So they're all
but
supposed to print, right? Why didn't they print?
I changed the condition, right? I made it less
It
than.
is less than
I
or
made
equal.
it less than now.
Oh, okay.
When you drop, I changed it.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it. So this condition is false. Then none of them has executed. Just this one has executed.
Okay. Yeah, I understood.
Okay. So I was asking you question here. If we are having minus 65, will this print or not? Passing grade will print or not?
It shouldn't print. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it should not. Why not? Because both are not equal, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I'll do some operation I want to do. Okay, minus 130. Okay, you tell me now this one will run or not. This one will give output or not.
Uh, it shouldn't give an output
Right?
because negative 65 and 65 are not the same. I'm not sure. I don't get this
We are
topic.
telling it will get. Janvi, Jania,
It will not get.
it should.
It will, right?
It should because see, grade is minus 65, and this one will be executed here. Okay.
Oh, that is minus 130. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, it should. It should go. Yeah, yeah, it should go.
Yeah. Correct. So
65 minus 130 is minus
here we
65.
are learning very important lesson here. Arithmetic operator will have higher priority than relational operator. Did you learn this lesson? I'll tell you how. Now I remove the bracket. So you can see this is an expression, okay?
Okay.
This is an expression. You learn very interesting concept here, okay?
Okay.
And we'll keep practicing on that. So this is an expression. Suppose that I'll take this expression, paste it here. And my question here is, and well, I'll take this one also as well. Oh, my mouse is gone. Yeah. And just focus on this. I am putting grade equal to minus 65, and here you can see this is a double. This is a relational operator. You always remember. So this is called when we type. Just keep in mind this is called equal operator. Okay, when we type single equal, this is called equal operator. But when we type double equal, this is called equality.
Okay, the call ends in 15 minutes, sir.
Okay, no problem. You can send the invite. Maybe one of you, Pranavi or somebody can send invite or Gmail. We'll join there. Okay. So learn this. Okay. So this equal means assignment. This is called assignment. Okay. Assignment means putting what value we have right side that will be assigned to the left side. Okay. And equality means it will compare comparison comparison between left to left value with the right value. Okay, I'll tell you again. I'll
Okay.
explain you so that this is very interesting thing. We are keep on introducing slowly, slowly. Okay. So this assignment operator, this is called assignment operator. Okay, equal is also known as assignment operator. I have explained you right. What
Yes,
is
sir.
assignment operator?
And you were mentioning it's very important to put brackets somewhere. I didn't get the somewhere.
Oh, that I was explaining here. Here, generally
And
what
what is the
happens?
reason?
There is good practice you can learn here. The due to priority to pick. If you are putting bracket means you are indicating that this part should be executed first, so that by mistake you don't to put bracket, you think of okay this should be executed, and by mistake what will happen due to some priority which you miss for a while, some other part will execute and you will not get expected output, and that you will see, you will come to learn that part. Okay,
Okay.
just
Okay.
I'm telling you, you should do this. This is a rule you should follow. Like this is some thumbs, rule of thumb. If you don't follow rule of thumb, you'll accident. Like suppose that I'm telling you
Okay.
drive by right side, but you don't follow the rule, you'll drive by left side. What will happen? Accident will happen, right? So simple,
Okay. Yeah.
simple like that. But why we should drive? That will come to know. So yeah, so I was telling you this is the equal operator. This is also known as assignment operator. And assignment operator is nothing but use of this is that this will create one variable here and it will assign some value to what we explained you there here that day. Like grade will be created, some variable will be created, and the what value you have minus 65 will be stored into the memory. This is assignment operator. But here it is double equal. This is called equality operator. It means it will compare. But what it will compare? What is lying on the left side and what is lying on the right side. In the left side, what is the value of grade? Janya, Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
what is the value
Negative
of grade?
negative
Great.
65.
Negative 65.
Negative 65, right. And
Yeah.
now what is the right side of this equal sign, equality sign?
It is still negative 65.
Negative.
Yeah, but right now it looks like it is 65, but this will be evaluated first. Why it will be evaluated first? Because just now I told you all arithmetic operator, I'll put here together.
Yeah, I understood, sir. I understood that very well.
Okay, everybody understood? Janya, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here it is minus is arithmetic operator. So this will be
Mm.
evaluated on priority and will get the value minus 65, and that will be compared with minus 65. So this will print you minus grade. Okay.
Genia, I think
But
there's some
now,
audio.
but now, if you want to speed up the thing, I'll ask you a question. Now you tell me what would be the output.
Since you're giving that,
Mhm.
Not equal.
mm,
So do we expect some output here or not?
Sir, it will show an error, right?
Yes.
Yeah, what kind of
yeah,
error do you expect? Syntactic error,
Syntax.
pattern
Syntax.
error, logical error?
Syntax.
Syntax.
syntax error.
What kind of syntax error can you expect? Any guess what it would say?
Logical error is not something.
Unexpected bracket, maybe?
Maybe, yeah.
Let us have some more guess. Even I don't know the answer, but I know kind of what it would be. I'm typing it just in front of you. Some wild idea comes into my mind while I'm teaching you, and I'm just asking you. Okay, it is a wild idea, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so all of you are agree on that some error will be there, and that will be
Error.
syntax error. That also I'm also supporting on that.
1 minute, sir. Give us a minute to rethink our choices.
Okay, take your time.
Sir, is the colon needed in the end after 130?
Yeah. That's a part of syntax.
Okay.
Please don't. This is the syntax. Okay, see,
Okay.
syntax means
Yeah,
ground
yeah.
rule of the your compiler or grammar or your coding. it should have something like this. If you don't follow this, it will have syntax error. So that colon is the part of syntax in if, loop, function. So this is the part of Python actually. Colon has a special meaning. Colon indicates that after next line this will be part of this here if somewhere something else. Okay, so yeah, well, let us go
Okay.
to where we were. Okay, okay. So before we come here, let us run this one. I'll print something here. This one, right? I was supposed to print this one also. Meanwhile, you think that one. Yeah, Randeep, go ahead.
So there will be an error,
Mm-hmm.
and possibly, is there any chance there might not be an error? Because 65
Pranali
minus
are
130.
laughing. Why is he laughing? Ask her.
How many times will you tell that, bro?
Wow, what did I say?
Nothing. The error part.
I
She's
I am
laughing
still
because.
convinced there might not be an error for some reason.
Okay, tell me how.
It's okay. Just I can just evaluate, sir. I'm done with this.
No, no. But she laughed suddenly when you have taken some time and you are telling.
I have a feeling it might not give an output. It might not give an error, but it will not give an output.
Okay,
What?
okay,
That's the
okay.
thing. It could happen like that.
Yeah, because it's not equal to 65 anymore.
Maybe. I
Because
don't know.
130 is out now.
Okay, before we go there, let us a step back here and tell me what output do you expect here?
Output print. It will print the.
What it will print?
It will print whatever is in the print statement.
Oh, okay.
No, because it's not in
Wait
quotation.
for Randeep. Janya,
And
what
I
is your
mean,
Huh?
Janya? What is your expectation here? Output of this?
It will give. It won't give an output because it's not in quotations.
Great, but answer is wrong. Pranavi, you go ahead. You tried well for that.
True. I mean, it's a relational operator, right? So the value is gonna be in a boolean.
So what will happen actually? I will tell you here. When this some condition is evaluated, means when some of these operator will be evaluated. After evaluation of these operator, it will give you two boolean output. So I can say here a relational operator will give you boolean value as output, and this is what I taught you for last couple of days. Boolean value or boolean literal, we have two boolean literal, right? What is that? True and
false.
false. So it will be evaluated to these two value, either true or false. Whenever you compare any two value using any of these, it will return true, like this what you I typed here, true or false. So it will return you either. So it will this equation will be evaluated and it will tell you true. So let us, before that, let us see this. If I'll take check 6 is equal to 6, it will print true, like this. Okay, like which if I'll check print 6 is not equal to 6, it will print false, because that condition is false, right?
So can you once try
Not
greater
working.
than and less than symbol?
Yes, here we go, man. Oh, it's not working, man.
I got this error
Oh,
as well,
thank
sir.
God. I don't know. That might be some Python version would be there. We'll come back on this.
Okay,
It was
sir.
working earlier eventually. I don't know. I'm really surprised to see. But mostly people are using this one. That's why they are having. But I know this was part of this Python.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'll be back. I have to use the.
Okay, sure. That's what you are telling that time. Oh, thank you, Pranavi.
It's
Because
okay,
of
sir.
teaching you, I'm also revising new Python. I was expecting this to be correct.
Sir, because I usually use exclamatory mark equals to it,
Yeah,
sir.
but
So I went to Jupyter and tried it, and it showed me an error.
let me Google it.
Yes, sir.
When operator is dropped from Python. Okay, there is definitely some alternative. Okay, it's there, but it's very old answer might be.
Yes,
Python
sir.
15. See, do
Oh,
not
it is removed in Python 3.
okay. That's what.
Yes, sir.
Great that you check this one here. It's better to comment here. Allowed only in Python 3. Allowed only in Python 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Did he come back? Randeep, are you back? Still not. Okay. Anyway, meanwhile, let us we can anyway. I will show same thing multiple times, so it will be fine for me. So Jania, yeah. Now you got it. What output we can get here?
Yes, sir.
So here I'll just put some output. Okay. Okay.
I
Here
have a
this.
question.
Yeah. Go ahead.
If in the box you've written grade is equal to negative 65, right?
Hmm.
So will that also be counted because this is in Boolean now, right?
No, Boolean. See, this is a assignment operator. Okay, this is different from this. This is one line. It will execute and it will give you value of grade as minus 65. This is not a Boolean operator.
Oh,
Evaluation of this result expression will be Boolean. You can say once this operator will execute, it will return the Boolean value. You'll come
mm-hmm.
to know, you'll learn. So here you
Okay.
can see it is because it is comparing these two, then we are getting Boolean result. Okay, comparison of this is Boolean value as a result. Yeah, Randeep, go ahead.
Sir, can you evaluate cell number 8 once?
Cell number 9 is there, 12 is there, 8 is there. This one,
Hmm?
it is here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That one we are
It's
saying that.
it's cell number 13 now.
Yeah, understood. Okay, but before that, I was discussing something here. Okay, got it.
Did I miss anything important?
Uh, no, I don't think so. Just she was having some doubt. Janya was asking some doubt. So yeah,
Okay.
so here we had doubt. She had a doubt like when we put something. She was telling it was something like this. Then she was telling grade is Boolean variable. It's not a Boolean variable. This I was telling her. It's not a Boolean variable because it was getting confusion how this became Boolean or what. So I was telling her here this one. So here you can see because on grade we are putting some number, right? And when we put a number, this is a integer variable. Okay, and we are printing here. Okay, here here you can see this is two number and these two number will be compared and the result of this comparison means result of this operator will be true or false. It means whenever you use any of these operators, gone.
Hello, sir.
Okay, I'm refreshing my screen. Just wait.
So my recording worked well, I think.
Oh, great. Then I will give you the user ID password of that YouTube, and you can upload here. I will also
Okay.
share the operator user you can upload.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was explaining you this operator of evaluation.
Oh my god, my sister's in the background. Jenny, mute.
Okay. Yeah. What I was telling. See, when we do something like x equal to 5 plus 4. So this is arithmetic operator, right? It
Yes,
means
sir.
output of this operator will be a number, because this plus can be used applied on the number only, right? Plus is a operator here, and it will be applied on the two numbers to add them, so this its output will be always be a number, right?
Yeah.
So likewise, whenever you use any relational operator, its output will always be true or false. Okay, so that is what you need to understand. As it will yield number as its result. Same thing it is written here, like a relational operator will give or yield, or whatever you want to write, yield or give, both are same, a boolean value as output. But arithmetic operator will yield number as its result or output. Okay, I can write similar language. So this will always give you true or false. So after evaluation, it will give you true or false. Okay, not before evaluation. So here you can go ahead and let us go ahead from here to here. So what I was telling
Sir, you
you,
can switch off your video.
me, why?
It's free. It's frozen for me.
Oh, it's
I
not.
don't. No, it's not. It's not.
It's
Oh,
not.
it's not. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought
Okay,
you
maybe
want
it's
to
my
say
limit.
something. You scared me. You should say
Okay.
your video is frozen. I said, what I did wrong.
Okay.
Okay, anyway. So yeah, what I was telling you. So Jania, your doubt. I'm coming here. So see, this one will evaluate. It means just it will put minus 65 on grade. And now, as I told you, this one will be operated first, because arithmetic operator has higher priority. So this will evaluate minus 65, and that minus 65 will be compared with the grade. Okay, and grade value is also having minus 65. So at first this one will be evaluated, and then whatever value you get here, minus 65 you will get, right? That will be compared with this one due to this operator, and this will return true. So that's why your output is true. So once I give you this notebook, you have to do this, try this, change some operator, change some value, and see how, why, and how it is happening. Okay, eventually you need to do some practice. You need to upload this notebook into the Google Colab also. You can upload, and you can keep changing and keep on trying. You need to play with the operators. Operator is very important
Okay, sir.
part. Okay, now here, okay, yeah, you're discussing about this one. Let us look at this. So here when we have kept a bracket, still we can see our result is passing grade. But for more surprisingly, we need to see how. This one will give us
Under
true, and 2 minus,
When we understood why I was objecting.
No, but
yeah,
Grade equals to 61 would be like value of 0 because it's like not true, and then minus 30. Isn't that like true, right, sir?
See here. So
It's
this
like
is
false minus 30. 30.
okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. This is false. I thought it is minus 65. Yeah, this one. So what is happening here? You are right. We need to break them. We need to break them in the part by part. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you can understand. So like this, you should do it. Whenever you get this, you should do like this. So what it will do? It will put minus 65 into this, and then it will check condition, right? And then when it will check the condition, it will give us what? It will give you a
False.
false. So you can see I had this equation. Yeah, no, because Rondeep, I hope you are getting. It's very easy, right? Or no?
Yeah, yeah.
So what I did, I had this equation and I evaluated this part here. Okay, and I got false. I got false. Then what I will do in place of this, I have kept false, and then I have kept minus 130. Okay.
Okay.
So now it will we will evaluate this one. So let us evaluate this one too. So what it is done, false is assumed as 0 here, and 0 minus 130 is minus 130. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is minus 130. Actually, if you have 0 or false at this point, then it will assumed as this condition is false. Otherwise, for positive number or negative number, it will assume it as a true, and it will give you then this the body of this if else will execute. So that's why we are getting the passing grade as true. Let us test this one once again. If minus 1 print true, it is giving true, right? Means either it is positive number,
So if it's a negative, it's executing. Is that what you mean?
either positive or negative number will have true true boolean value.
Okay. This I can't understand, sir.
Yeah, this one you need to learn. Just give me a second.
You mentioned you had some work at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the ping. Waiting
Okay,
for
okay.
my office people will ping me. We were doing some deployment. Let me see. Yeah. So actually, this one for in order to understand this, sometime I will explain you something called ones complement, twos complement, or how this number is stored into the memory. From that, you can realize how these negative numbers are stored into the memory, and based on that, it will like it considers into the true. So let us assume this one as a rule, and then we'll see how sometime later. Okay. So either positive or negative number you put here, you will get true as boolean value, and because it is true, so it will run its body part. Okay. Is that fine for you, everyone, as of now?
No, I don't understand this. It's okay. Continue. Continue. I maybe I'll understand as you go along.
Yeah, no, for that you this is very very tricky thing. Okay, if I'll explain you, then I have to deep dive into the computer architecture. You need to learn for that how negative numbers are stored into the memory, and from that it is coming. So I don't want to explain that level now. Okay. Just you have to remember that if you have negative number, then it will assume it is a positive. Okay.
Okay, sir, you don't have to explain all of that, but
Yeah.
like when you execute cell number 19, the output is passing grade, right?
Right. Because it is
And
negative,
we,
right? It is negative.
yeah, and we assumed cell number, I mean, in cell number 19, line 2 is if grade is equal to 65 minus 130, you assumed it as false minus 130, right?
Right. It is not assumed. It is correct. And false
Yeah,
minus
okay.
130 is minus 130. And because
Yeah.
it is minus 130, so it will give you true. And it is true, then
But so nothing is equal to 130 if 130, is that it? If minus 130.
yeah, if
What is
minus
equal to 130?
it is not checking. It is not applying to any equality operator after that. Just it is assuming minus 130. It is converting to the true value due to some interval
Okay.
representation. Yeah, Pranavi, go
And
ahead.
then passing grade is printed. Okay.
Pranavi, go ahead.
Sir, can we change some values in cell 19?
Yeah, which value you want to change? Tell me.
65. Can you make 65 as minus 65?
Uh,
And
on
and
average,
my
65,
no, sir.
only
Grade
65.
equal to minus 65.
Okay, got it. So 130 and this one minus 60. Okay.
My
So,
no, sir. Minus one. Can you make minus 130 as minus one?
okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to check that out before.
So instead of checking that one, you should check like this. It will be
Oh,
easier to understand.
yes, sir.
So see, so let us understand what it will be possible. Grade age, let us put the grade value again because just to make sure. So here we have on grade minus 65. So it is comparing with the minus 65. So it will be true. A true means it will be 1 and 1 minus 1 it should be 0. So let us print this. This is what you wanted to know, right? Not
Yes,
what
sir.
is
It,
just
it's gonna show for. I mean,
it's gonna
the
it
if
should not
condition
show.
is not gonna work, right, sir?
Yeah, because it is 0 there. Janya, did you understand this?
I didn't understand how we got zero.
Yeah, you're right. See now. Grade is what? Grade is minus 65
Mm,
and this is minus 65.
mm,
So this one will become what?
zero.
This is both are equal, right? It will be true.
Yes.
And true is assumed as 1. By default,
Okay.
true will be assumed as 1 and false as 0 in when you consider into the like numerical value.
Oh, okay. So that's how it is.
Yeah.
Uh, now it
So this
now
true
it.
is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Great. So here you
So
see
can we
this.
continue tomorrow after this?
Oh yeah, you need to go somewhere.
Go somewhere now. I have to do some other work, and the attention span has been decreasing since the start, right?
Okay, so I'll see. I'll give you this two notebook. I'll upload. You need to go through this. I don't think you cannot understand all the remaining of this. You can understand. If you don't, then we'll continue tomorrow from there. Okay, and I'll upload some assignment on if else today. Okay,
Okay,
so
good.
you need to
Yes.
solve those assignment. And Jana, you can ping me like whenever you need some classes. I can take some extra classes for initially couple of days until you pick up. Or
Yes, sir.
eventually you can take some help from Pranavi also, maybe Ranjit also. But if they are not helping, if they are not helpful guys, then you let me know. Okay.
Sir, no, we are willing to help. No issues. When did we ever say we were not gonna help?
No, he means if you don't know the answer, or how do you know
No,
if
no,
you
I
not
meant
know
if they
it?
are not
How?
helpful guys. I meant what they understood.
Oh,
Don't cover that.
Don't cover what?
She is covering. She is covering my line.
Covering what?
you understood well. And
What did you
if
mean? I
you are
actually
not
didn't
helpful guy,
understand.
just let me know. It was very
He means that if we could
simple.
not explain her, like if she's not clear yet, he wants him to ask her. Yeah.
No, no, no.
Okay, whatever. Too much thinking required. Anyway.
I meant to say that if they are not helpful, they are not able to help, they are not getting time to help you. Multiple scenarios are there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll see you. I'll just upload this notebook, and I will upload some assignment in the same that Word file. I hope everybody knows from here you need to look at your assignment. And Jania, then Randeep and Sunil, you can come. I'll just discuss with Jania.
Okay, sir.
Don't take all
Okay.
your time
It's
after.
okay, sir. It's okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You have a great day, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Flashback.
take care. Bye.
See you. See you, sir.
Yeah, so Janvi, can you share screen and tell me are you able to see your assignment or not? Because I want to do a practice.
Yes, sir. Wait. I,
Don't forget your birthday and then we can skip that.
huh?
I said somebody was singing birthday song.
Oh, Randeep's sister is in my house right now.
No
That.
problem. Just
Oh,
it feel like she's singing some song.
oh, no, she's just talking. I saw the problems from here, right? I could do this one. I sent you the picture. I
Okay,
think.
okay, okay. Oh, okay. You know the place from here. Now you tell me where do you solve the your where do you code?
Oh, in Jupyter notebook.
Show me your code, please. I want to see. Are you able
Act-
to load the code which I gave you? Did you download the codes which I uploaded there?
in the drive.
Yeah,
No, I, I don't think so.
yeah. You need to download all these codes. How will you
Yes, yes.
download?
I'll just,
It is one by one, right? So it's better to click on the right top and you can see name is written. Right, right, right.
okay, right.
In the mid. Yeah, name is written. Name, right? And then three dots are there. So just click
Oh,
there. It's not there. Okay, you need to. I don't think you can wait to download everything in one shot.
maybe I can hold shift and then.
That's another way. Maybe you can try with the name. One down arrow is there before that name.
Oh, yeah.
See,
No.
it's not there. Somewhere it should be there. Okay, anyway, you can figure out later. Okay, whatever. Yeah, another way you can download.
Yes.
Yeah, why didn't? Okay. Uh,
I'll figure that out now.
yeah, yeah. It's okay, fine. You download all the codes and load some those codes into your notebook.
Okay, sir. Actually, the thing is, I've done it on paper first yesterday, and then I put the code in Jupyter. It worked, but I forgot to save the notebook, and it
No
disappeared.
issue. I'll explain you how to upload the code existing notebook.
Okay.
Can you download all those notebook?
Oh, yeah. Now.
Yeah, you can download. Yeah. Another option would be na you can download that notebook folder itself. But yeah, here after anyway you have to download the new code.
Yeah.
You need to spend a bit more time initially.
Yes, sir.
In the HTTP now it is telling download multiple files. Allow. Click on the allow.
Oh,
Okay. And open that folder where these are downloaded. You can go on this, then it will show you where it is downloaded. We are going from the other screen.
yeah.
Yeah, select all those files what you have just now downloaded. Select all. Click on first and click shift on the last. Press shift and click on the
Mm-hmm.
last Python flow control.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, like this. Cut and paste into some drive where you want to keep all these codes.
Where did it go?
Yeah, here like create one folder. Yeah, yeah. Inside that you can create one folder. So you are putting like this. You should create one folder name code.
Code. Okay.
Yeah, code, so that you can put everything there in the code folder. And
Yes.
then likewise you can have assignment folder or maybe notebook or code, or you can put notebook or something like that. Create one folder and put it into there.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, so you live near to Randeep's house, right?
yes, sir.
That's why I can see here also have two sisters playing in your house.
Yeah.
Now
She
what you
come.
are doing? You can, okay, fine. Okay,
I'm
copy
just
this one.
cutting everything.
Yeah, cut and paste into that notebook. Paste here. And now what you have to do, you get this location, remember the location. Okay, desktop, fine. Now open your Jupyter notebook or maybe Colab, Google Colab, whichever you want, which one you are comfortable with.
Jupiter. Yes.
Okay, so click on the home, click on the home, like on the home tab is there, home tab. On the multiple tabs are there on top, Google Meet, home, and click on the home,
Okay.
next one, home.
Okay.
Yeah, here. And here what you can do, so you are putting everything in root drive. Okay, so do one thing. Yeah, I got it. Click on the desktop, will be there in this somewhere, like documents I can see. No, hold. Document is the first line. Downloads I can see. Down. Yeah,
Mm,
scroll up, you can see desktop somewhere. Desktop. Are you able to see the desktop? No.
no. Downloads documents.
I think if you're not able to see it, then it's still there, desktop somewhere. Scroll down. OneDrive I can see. Maybe click on and OneDrive.
OneDrive.
Like open this, double click. Sorry, you have desktop. Open the desktop. Double click desktop. Yeah, Jamia, and then
And
yeah, notebook. Yes, and open maybe, yeah, the latest one of the arithmetic one, the second last, 20th December 2024. The second
this
last one.
second last one. Yes.
So now you got this whole notebook here. Okay, and now here you can run each and every like line, and you can go through them here. Okay,
Okay.
likewise you go to home again, go to home,
Mm,
like home. Yeah, likewise you can open another maybe notebook. Today what we learned, maybe first one, very first one.
this.
And then you can read here. Then again, likewise you can open the second one, go to the home, open second one. Yeah, you can practice here also and go through them.
Okay.
So complete all these three. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you got the now you can run each cell and every cell. Okay, you understood how did we open this one and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what, then you can, because we are lagging behind, we need to practice.
Work.
Okay,
Yes.
and seek their help, and if you need any help you can feel free to drop me anytime. Okay,
Okay, sir.
whenever you get time, just ping me, I'll be available out.
Okay.
Okay, do well.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, take care, be happy. Okay, then here I go.